Ditch your mouse and unlock lightning-fast productivity with these keyboard shortcuts. Today, we're jumping into something that will speed up almost all of your daily tasks, essential keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, these shortcuts will help you cut time and navigate your system without relying on your mouse. So let's get started. First on the table, we have this basic yet indispensable shortcut, copy, cut, and paste. On Windows, use Control-C to copy, Control-X to cut, and Control-V to paste. For Mac users, it's Command-C, Command-X, and Command-V. These commands are universal across most applications and save a ton of time if you're moving a lot of data. Next, let's talk about undo and redo. Made a mistake? No problem. On Windows, Control-Z to undo and Control-Y to redo. Mac users, you have Command-Z for undo and Command-Shift-Z for redo. These shortcuts are lifesavers when editing documents or working on creative projects. Need to select everything quickly? Just use Control-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. This shortcut is perfect for selecting all text in a document or all files in a folder. But keyboard shortcuts aren't just for text and data, you can use them to easily navigate through all those applications. Switching between windows and applications is seamless with Alt-Tab on Windows and Command-Tab on Mac. This helps you quickly move between your open programs without reaching for the mouse. If an application freezes or stops responding, you can open Task Manager or Windows with Control-Shift-Escape or force quit on Mac with Command-Option-Escape. This lets you close unresponsive programs quickly. Managing your windows can be a breeze too. On Mac, minimize a window with Command-M and cycle through open windows of the current app with Command-tilde. On Windows, you can minimize all windows with Windows key M and restore them with Windows key Shift-M. To snap a window to the left or right side, use Windows key left-right arrow. Keyboard shortcuts can also speed up your productivity with these time-saving utilities. If you need to save your whole screen as a picture, you can always take a screenshot. On Windows, you can take a screenshot of the full screen with the Print Screen button, or just the active window with Alt Print Screen. For a selected area on Windows 10, use Windows key Shift-S. On a Mac, you can capture the full screen with Command-Shift-3, a selected area with Command-Shift-4, or a specific window with Command-Shift-4, then press space. Looking for specific text in your current window? Use the Find shortcut. On Windows, Control-F, and on Mac, Command-F. This works in web browsers, documents, and pretty much anywhere you can search for text. These computer shortcuts can make your computer use much more efficient and save you a lot of time. Try incorporating these into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. I'm David with SkillSprints.